Hi, Audrey.
Hi, Josef.
Hi.
Yes, props.
Yes,
Props.
thanks for having me here.
No, thanks so much for
Yeah.
answering our top 4 questions on renovation in Singapore. Are you ready?
Yes.
So these are questions that we get all the time. Don't forget that Ohmyhome has our own renovation arm, and we can help renovate your home. Okay, question 1. All right. How long does it take to renovate my home? Okay, how long would it take?
Usually renovation takes for a month, and for bigger, more extensive projects, it would take more than 12 weeks or usually 3 months.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is usually for HDB and condo renovation. But if it's a landed property, usually it's more than 3 months.
Okay.
Yeah, so it really
Wow.
depends on the scope of work.
Okay,
Yeah.
but 3 months for HDB, would you say that's quite extensive? Like,
Yes,
it's
it
hacking?
includes hacking,
Okay.
new carpentry, and
Yeah.
Repainting of the whole house and stuff
Okay,
like
got
that.
it.
Yeah.
But for more simple works, you can expect up to 4 weeks, and you can go up to 12
12 weeks,
Okay.
yeah.
Next, what are HDB's deadlines for renovation works? That's right. So I believe that there are some things that you need to take note of.
Yes.
Can you tell us more about
Usually, HDB gives a 1 month permit, standard one permit, which is easily extendable
Okay.
to depending on how much time you need, depending on the renovation scope. So at Ohmyhome Renovations team, we usually help you extend the permit in case we need more time to do so.
Okay.
Yeah, because usually it's normally three months, so we would just extend the permit by
Okay,
month.
yeah. So if you get someone to do that for you, like renew it for you, then it's not okay.
Yes.
If you have to renew it 3 times in 3 months, that is
They say.
very good. Okay. All right. Question 3. What is the renovation process like? I believe it's we can break it down for
So
everybody.
3 steps.
Okay,
Yeah,
let's
we
hear
actually
it.
have a slide for that.
Oh,
yeah.
yes. And it's such a beautiful slide that you put together.
Yes.
That's one of our sketches, right?
Exactly, yeah. So the renovation process, we start from a project briefing, that's stage 1. This is when we outline the requirements of our clients in their renovation. So we identify what are the must-haves and the nice-to-haves so that we can prioritize what they want within their budget.
Must have
Yeah,
and nice to haves.
correct.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. And then the next part would be the design stage, which is the fun part. So that's where we do all our space planning. And when we start doing our 3D views so that our customers can see their dream home in in a 3D space.
Wow.
So we actually provide a virtual reality experience, a very immersive experience
Oh,
where
with the-
the goggles,
Yeah.
right? So that our customers can see the dream home in the full 3D space.
Wow.
Yeah, so that's
Wow.
actually quite interesting.
Yeah.
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 And then apart from that, this part is also the material choosing. So we guide to our customers what material suits their style and mood for their home.
Okay.
So in here actually have like 2 sample materials.
Actually, guys, can we zoom in?
Yeah, so in this camera, right? Yeah, so actually like we have 2 wood materials. They kind of look the same, but actually they're different materials. One of it is a laminate and another one is a veneer. So Audrey, maybe you can guess to me which one is more expensive?
Don't do this to me. Which one's more expensive?
Yeah.
Actually, you guys can comment right or left.
Yeah, is it a right or a left? Yeah.
Which one?
Yeah.
I think it's this one because there's this fancy thing.
Actually, it's this one. This one is more expensive because this actually is natural wood and the other one is more plastic. Yeah. Correct. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. So actually,
Wow.
yeah, at
Okay.
Ohmyhome, we guide through our customers and guide them, provide them materials that actually fits their budget. So that's
okay.
one of the steps that we do also. Yeah.
Okay, so this is part of the design stage.
Correct.
Okay.
And then the last part will be the construction stage where their dream home comes to life. So we start with hacking and demolition. Whenever there's like a renovation, new walls that needs to be done. This is the first part, the wet works where we do all the tiling works.
Yeah.
And then we also, and then the next part will be the carpentry where we put up all the new wardrobes and other elements that needs to be provided, catered to your lifestyle and needs.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then after that is the finishing part where we put all the repainting of the whole house, a special just on the wall. So this is kind of like the final touches for the whole renovation. And then before we hand over, we do a general cleaning of the whole site.
Oh, yeah.
So that, once you receive your key, it's fresh and brand new. Yeah.
That sounds great. And
Correct.
I think I know what this last question is, because this is what I've been thinking of.
Yeah.
Is how much would it cost? How much would it cost to renovate? So everything that you said with the extensive hacking and carpentry and all that, how much can people expect to spend on something like this?
So based on our experience, right, a 4-room HDB resale flat, which is usually around 1,000 square feet, costs around 65,000 to do all the, which this usually includes, like retiling a floor, fresh new wardrobe, really extensive, fresh new kitchen cabinet, and a whole total toilet makeover.
I see.
Yeah, but usually, but at Home renovations team, we will advise you how we can hit your budget while achieving your dream home together.
So if you just make clear what your budget is, you're willing to spend this amount of money, our team at Ohmyhome would be very happy to listen to what you need to have, what would be nice to have, and they will definitely work within your budget to get you your dream home.
Right, that's good.
Fantastic. I cannot believe I got this wrong. But okay. Actually, now that I feel it, so
this feels more premium, right?
yes.
Yeah.
But I think for the people who come in, they can actually feel these things.
Exactly. Yeah.
I was tricked, guys.